the street.
I know. I love it.
It's Hallmark Town.
It is cute. One of their most popular. Interesting.
It's just basically an iced coffee.
I got an iced honey latte. So we finally made it home. It is like 5:30 right now and I am low-key starving. So we're gonna make some dinner and then we're gonna unpack because I feel like there's just so many things. We have all of these packages which I need to go get all of my others from the mailroom, and then we have our bags just all over, and we have more Christmas decorations. So that's what we're gonna spend our night doing. We're gonna do a little reset. I feel like I'm not feeling the best right now, but we're gonna push through. I cannot figure out how to get this to work. Like, it just says turn off and turn on, and it's just not working. So keep praying for this. But I'm gonna give you guys a little PR haul. I've been gone for about a week in Ohio, and we came back to quite a few packages and a huge one from Boot Barn, which I'll have to show you guys. I just did a little TikTok unboxing on there. But let's get into this little haul, which I'm doing it in my bathroom because it's really dark right now and the lighting in here is just better. A lot of these are from TikTok Shop, I must say. I'm doing a couple partnerships on there this month. Okay, this is exciting. It's like a really beautiful nail kit. That's gonna be fun. I might do these tonight or tomorrow because I really want to do the little mug where it's like boop, 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 that thing. That's what I want to do. I think as the night goes on, the more sick I'm like feeling. I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. They're shoes of some sort. I don't know if these are gonna fit my calves. I got pretty thick calves. They like barely fit. Yippee-ki-yay. Stop! Wait, I love them. This is so fun. Ow. Slay. This one's from Wildflower. He's got a new phone, and I'm always looking for new cases. Sneak peek. Adorable. Wow. That's cute. I love cheetah print. It's never gonna go out of style. Wishing you happy holidays from the Wildflower Workshop. And look at their cute card. I love Dandy so much. So I'm so excited for this. I wish I could simultaneously film vertically and horizontally so I could whip out like YouTube and TikToks. Somebody should create that because that would be very nice for us content goers. This looks perfect. Oh, Dandy's material is just so thick and soft. And yeah, I am obsessed. And I will be wearing this all the time. I, first off, love heathered gray. Anything. I just think it's always so chic. And this is so fun. I love it. The material is just so good. The little heart on the collar. That's so adorable. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my goodness. I feel so spoiled. This is actually my dream, and I can't even believe that I'm like unboxing packages. Okay, this one's from TikTok Shop. I know the one's from TikTok Shop. Okay, this is like a wraparound thing. for over my Pilates outfits. Let's try her on. It's supposed to just go like that with like a little bow. Okay, I think it'll be cute. I love polka dots. I need to stop being cute and slay. Guys are gonna laugh. Can you guys guess what this is? Guess right now. I'll reveal it. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. It looks like a jelly cat. It's a Christmas wreath. That is so cute. Why am I gonna cry? I'm gonna put this on my bed. I'm gonna cry. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. I just know Jesus is up there like Mac. But I know, I think he's enjoying it too. Okay, now what could this be? It's a little surefire thing. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. If you guys watched my like doing things to fill my cup video, you'll know that I brought up a package that was not mine. So now I like triple double check. This is so fun. This is so fun. Okay, this is from Francesca's. This is a dream. They sent over some goodies. I'm gonna cry. I feel like Francesca's was like just a store growing up that I love to go in. And I don't even know what this is. Maybe like a scarf wraparound shirt thing. Oh, I think it's like that. That's cute. That's adorable. I just said how much I love polka dots. The Lord knows the desires of your heart. Are you kidding? No. This is so beautiful. I'm like geeking out. That's perfect for Valentine's Day. This is the most beautiful scarf I've ever seen. It's so thick. Shalom. I could honestly wear this for my church's journey through Bethlehem. It's so beautiful. It's so cozy and cute. It was such a surprise. What in the world? There's something else. Oh, and some earrings. Those are so pretty. Wow. Thank you, Francesca. I got some Bala jump ropes. I love my Bala bangles. And I've always wanted to try jump roping. So, catch me doing this every single day. It's also from Wildflower Case. Guys, we're almost done, I promise. And then we're gonna unpack all of my things, and then we're gonna decorate for Christmas. Another little package with a sweet little note. I love these things. You put it on the back of your phone and it can stick to surfaces like mirrors and things. It just makes filming and content so much easier. I love those things. Yeah, it's gonna look like Hannah Montana. I just know this is a tree. I just know it. We're gonna need that later. Merry Christmas to me. I've been needing serving dishes. Now I can make casseroles. If I'm not a Proverbs 31 wife walking out of this bathroom, I don't know what else will do it. But I got my pots and pans. I got my cute, modest clothing. I have my jump rope where I'm going to get fit. And yeah, this was a very fun haul, honestly. I feel like I was surprised by half of it, so that was really fun and nice. Okay, now I'm going to put away everything I can. You guys should see the state of my bathroom. This is a no judgment zone. But yeah, I need to go put all of this away. But I'm literally so grateful. That was so fun. And I literally thank the Lord every single day. And if I don't, I need to start because this is such a blessing. And I'm so excited. So, okay, let's try to unpack. I have my suitcase in my closet. And we're gonna get our life together. I opened this up when I was home. And I forgot that I bought this at TJ Maxx. And I never got to wear it in the summer. Closet is still a mess, but at least the ground is good. And I just put like all the things I need to get videos in right here on the desk. But yeah, this is good for now. As I am decorating my room for Christmas and putting on the Grinch. also have these up. This little light, which is so cute. And then I feel like this is kind of Christmassy. Just put this little tree in here because I feel like it goes better. And then here's this tree. I'm gonna use these to make ice for my coffee. I'm all cozied up now. I have my hot cocoa. I feel so much better. But I'm gonna call my mom because I miss her so much. I feel like being a long distance daughter sucks sometimes, and I'm just having that night. And I'm gonna read my Bible, talk to my dad, because I feel like sometimes during the holiday season, you can get so busy and neglect your alone time with the Father. So we're definitely gonna spend some time with him. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you for Vlogmas Day 3.